What's up, guys? Houston here. Back in Lake Tahoe to check on my son. But I got a real estate hack for you guys. Check this out. Most people may be getting denied a home equity line of credit because tax liens, right? Well, guess what I found? I actually found a bank that would actually give you a home equity line of credit even if you have tax liens. Even if you have tax liens, they'll give you a line of credit. And so I'm going to introduce you to that, but I want to explore. I'm exploring right now because they said there's a sauna and a spa, so I wanted to look for it. All right, so here we go. So this place I'm staying at is the Holiday Inn. Oh, okay. Check this out. So we got the jacuzzi here. Guys, I'll tell you something. I am so embarrassed because I've been moving around so much. I forgot today's my 22nd wedding anniversary. Right? Oh, here's your sauna. So you got a sauna in here. So you can check out the sauna. So you got a sauna and you got the jacuzzi. Right? This time of year up in Tahoe, the bears are starting to wake up. So I guess this is like a miniature golf, but since they told me about the bears waking up, I'm kind of paranoid, right? But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that video up so that you all can see that you actually can get a home equity line of credit with a tax lien. So I hope that's gonna help some of you all.
Good day, and thank you for another FinTech fact. My name is Tracy, and welcome you to the most innovative, legal, lawful, and financial information to date. With that said, we now offer a revolving home equity line of credit, abbreviated for HELOC. Whereas, should you have equity within your property, commercial or residential, you may acquire cash currency within 3 business days. Moreover, we simply verify deposits via the past 12 months, then simply access an approval. Again, bank deposits are verified, as transactions and ending balances are not evaluated, and the minimum credit score is 620 upon Experian only. Repeat, the Experian credit score is utilized for an approval. Additionally, depending upon your state for which your property is located, you may utilize the bank deposits of friends, family, and/or colleagues. Also, you may use many bank deposits via different accounts to qualify as well. Additionally, once a monthly repayment is made, realistically, the funds immediately become available, similar to a credit card. Therefore, this financial instrument performs identical to a revolving credit card account. Lastly, we encourage your comments, concerns, and/or questions, and we welcome the opportunity to assist Gipu. Thank you.